Hello, my friends. We're here at the Florida Department of Corrections, and we just met with Warden Baker and our friend Lori, who's introducing us to a whole bunch of people. And we are going to be designing and installing food forests, edible landscapes, and production systems here at the jail, at the prison. And we're also going to be bringing in the curriculum so the inmates can learn permaculture. They can learn the most valuable trade in the world right now, and that's helping people to grow food. I mean, look at this facility. Look at all the lawn here. When we convert half of this lawn into edible regenerative landscapes, we change the world. And then when we use these systems, these pillars in our society, to also turn that energy from kind of a negative energy, an energy of destruction, to an energy of creation, well, then we change the world. It's time to grow food, my friends. What prisons are in your neck of the woods? What schools, what churches, what corporations are in your neck of the woods? It's time to inspire and empower them to use their resources wisely. And growing food instead of lawns is number one.